Hello.
Hello, good evening.
Yes. Good evening.
How are you?
How are you? Fine.
I'm also fine, thank you for asking. So, which topic we are going to discuss today?
I forgot to ask it.
Pollution, I think.
Solutions.
Yeah. So, tell me, what do you think about pollution?
Solutions refers to
Human suffers because of pollution.
no.
Okay.
It helps. It is a way to solve the problems.
Pollution.
Yes.
Pollution, not solution.
Solution. SOLUTION.
So what? Yeah.
Solutions.
No, it's pollution. The topic is pollution.
Pollution.
Yes.
I heard solution.
No, pollution.
Pollution. It is caused due to the vehicles, etc.
Yeah.
It is harmful to humans.
Of course. Actually, not for humans, but every living being.
It is in the earth.
Yeah. So, can you tell me some of the causes of pollution?
Causes of pollution.
Yeah.
How does the pollution cause?
Crowd. Am I right?
Causes of pollution. Yes.
Okay.
Causes of pollution include during the traffic time there will be more pollution because more vehicles will be going.
Yes, right.
And there is also pollution due to industries.
Of course.
It releases more gases, harmful gases. It is harmful for every living organism in the earth.
Right.
There are many pollutions.
And I think, what do you think? What is the main reason of these pollution?
We are not taking care about ourselves.
Okay.
I
think not.
Our environment.
We are not taking care of our environment.
Yes.
Yeah. Say what you're saying.
We are careless.
Okay. Yeah, that's right.
And we are not thinking about the ill effects of the pollution.
Yes.
And so due to this, the pollution is causing. These are basic things.
Yeah. And don't you think that humans are the reason for pollution?
Humans are the reason for pollution.
Yeah.
Because they only throw the waste material in the water. It causes to water pollution. Then the industries releases harmful gases, and vehicle also releases harmful gases. It also leads to pollution.
Yeah, right.
Then water pollution, air pollution, noise pollution. Noise pollution also is caused due to humans.
Yes, of course. And can you tell me how humans are making, for example, voice pollution, okay? How people and humans are contributing in noise pollution?
What pollution?
Noise.
Noise pollution.
Yes.
How they are causing noise pollution?
Yeah, how they're making.
How they are making noise pollution. For example, the same traffic, when there's a traffic, all the people would horn.
Yes.
So due to this, more noise is released.
Of course.
And it leads to noise pollution. And keeping the speakers at high volume.
Yeah.
And televisions, radios, everything at high volume.
Yeah.
It leads to pollution.
Right.
Noise pollution, and etc.
Yeah. And speakers, I would say that people use the speakers in a very loud, volume.
Yes.
And that is, I think, one of the biggest thing for noise pollution, and that literally disturbs people.
Yes. It would disturb other people.
Yes. And some people, play songs at after 12 p.m., 12 a.m.
Yes.
Midnight. So there were some festivals, Yeah, so people were playing, music and such a noise. I think I can't even explain in that volume at night in 2 p.m. a.m.
In my area, these problems are not there.
Yeah, but people my home is just in front of a road, okay, and a bridge. So people make a lot of noise pollution by traffic, and they play loud music on speakers, and that's also one of the way I think that disturbs a lot.
Yes.
Yeah. And what do you think? How do people make soil pollution?
Soil pollution, they don't know the value of the soil.
Yes.
And they would use fertilizers.
Yes.
Many chemicals to improve the agriculture, but it is harmful for the soil because when we are adding it to the in the crop, it would mix with the water, and after some time the water would go inside the soil, and this leads to soil pollution. And there are many such cases like that.
Yeah.
For example, throwing the plastic outside in the soil.
Yes.
And the plastic would take more time to decompose in the soil.
Yeah.
Other than everything.
Yes.
And it also leads to soil pollution.
Yes, that's right. And what about people make a lot of water pollution as well, right?
Yes.
So wherever we go, if we are going to a beach or also a river. So what do you see there nowadays?
Nowadays, what to say? Near my home, there's a river going.
Okay.
It is some of the rivers will be green, pure blue in color, but that river is in dark green in color.
Oh.
If we bath there, we'll get itching.
Okay.
Dark green in color. And that place is near the dead burning area.
Oh. I feel so bad by hearing this.
I don't know whether if we bath there, it would be itching or not, but most of the people would bath there.
Oh. Okay.
And then I saw many things such as in beach many plastic papers, bottles,
Yeah.
covers, etc.
Right.
And we also we are using then we are wasting water in our homes also.
Yes, right.
And this also leads to water pollution.
Yeah, we are wasting water. That is also a bad action towards the nature.
Yes.
Yeah.
Then
small ponds also, people throw useless things on ponds.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's all about water pollution.
Yeah.
And due to water pollution, we would get waterborne disease.
Yeah, right.
More people would be affected.
Yes.
Nowadays, most of the areas contain polluted water.
Yes, right.
And the 3% of water is only available for humans to drink.
Yeah.
Nowadays, only 1% of water is present.
Yeah. And what do you think? What can be the solution of this problem?
People should be aware about the water pollution.
Yes.
And they should be taught that not to waste water, not to throw dirty things on water,
Yeah.
not to waste water unless while not needed.
Okay, yeah. Like, people should make any campaign for it, right?
No need campaigns. If all the people are aware about water pollution and they are responsible, and if they are responsible person,
Okay.
if each people contributes to reduce water pollution, this should be enough.
Yeah, right.
Then what is your idea?
Yeah, I think we should, teach people and educate people about pollution. And in some places, like in slums, like poor people are there and they don't know what is water pollution, what is air pollution, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so many people, like poor people who lives in a slums, they don't know what is pollution. So we should go there and we should teach them that what is pollution and how we can stop that and how we can contribute to not make pollution and make our environment good and safe for humans and for it not. I think it's not only causing humans but also other living beings, right?
Yes.
So, awareness is one thing. Educating people is one thing, and the second thing I would say that people should like plant more trees. Yeah.
Okay.
Plant more trees and be responsible. All the educated people should be responsible for their actions. Like they should be a responsible citizen. They should use water as much needed. And if they're using any plastic thing, if they're eating something, they should know where we should throw it.
Yes, it's right.
Yeah. So if every educated person will be responsible, that would be very helpful for I think environment, and we should educate the other as well, who doesn't know all of these.
It's right.
Yeah, and we should tell them that what will be the causes after if you will continue doing this. So how we will end up.
Yes, it's right.
Yeah.
Everything, if we are teaching anybody about we should not do this, we should teach everybody about the causes of it.
Yeah.
Then only people would remember it.
Yes, right.
Only some things. I will not say all the things they would remember.
Yeah, but this is something that everyone, like pollution is something everyone is responsible for it, and every day we use water. We we go somewhere, we eat something, we throw something. So this is something everyone will remember if we will teach them in a proper way, if we will educate them about pollution in a proper and in a right way. Right?
Yes, true.
Yeah. And I think planting more trees is one of the very people nowadays making there are a lot of campaigns that they are raising funds and planting more and like thousands of trees. But as an individual, we should also plant trees in our home. Like if we have place to plant a tree, then
in my home, in the upper area, we are having garden.
Oh, okay. Like
during evening, we would water the plants.
Upper area means like terrace?
No, Madi means.
I think it's terrace only.
No, terrace means it is a area covered by shed. It is an open area.
Okay. It's an open area.
Yes.
Okay. And do you like how it is?
I can't say more about it, but normal.
But okay, but what kind of plants are there?
My mother only knows about that plants.
Okay. So is it like good amount of plants, like or
20
just 2,
plants
3?
will be there. 20 plants will be there.
Oh, 20 plants. Okay. Yeah, I think that place would be very nice to visit and to go.
Yes.
Okay.
And in our area, surroundings also, our surroundings contain more number of trees.
Oh.
So we would get fresh air.
Yeah, that's so good.
There are 4 to 5 trees
Okay.
near to our house.
Okay.
It makes us cool.
Oh. I think that is
During
very...
evenings. But during afternoon, it will be very hot. Anyways.
Oh, okay. And it will be very good for you when it's summer's day, like summer season.
Yes.
Yeah.
No, not like that. All the time when we are during summertime also, if we go up during evenings, we would get fresh air.
Okay.
But afternoon will be very hot all the time.
Yeah, afternoon I think it's very hot. And the last summer was so horrible, right?
Yes.
Yeah. And this is also because of pollution. Climate change is also because of pollution.
Due to air pollution.
Yeah.
Due to air pollution, because of more vehicles, it causes global warming.
Yeah.
So that there are more heat.
Yes. And because of the factories are also a lot of, like, they produce a lot of bad gases.
Yes.
Yeah. And don't you think that as personal, like as an individual, what we can do for our environment?
As an individual, we should know how to reduce pollution.
Okay.
And we should take that measures to reduce the pollution. How much we can do it.
Yeah. Like we can not do that, like we should not...
It can be inside of homes and outside.
Yeah. And as an individual, I think we can stop doing those things. We should stop making pollution. And then only we'll be able to say these things to others.
Yes, it's right.
You know, in school as well, in my school, people were not that interested in the environment subject.
Okay.
Because they get to learn a lot of things. But I always had a lot of interest in environment, and I like to know about environment, nature, and how we can protect our nature and all of that. But in my school, they were never used to take seriously like environment lecture. They were very bored at that time. They used to sleep.
They in our school they would teach it along with science, social and English.
Okay.
And along with Tamil also.
Okay. So, like, your classmates do like these environment subjects and lectures on environment? No?
These things are included in our subjects.
Okay. You don't have a separate...
No, it is included in our subjects.
Oh, okay.
While they are taking some portions, they would take it along with it.
Oh, I think that's nice.
This is our subjects.
Yeah, and we should educate the new generation about environment, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So, Sarvesh, I think we had a good conversation over this topic.
Yes.
Yeah, and now it's time to hang up the call.
Yes. Bye.
Bye. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Thank you.